If your probe is brand new, then you'll need to initialize it before you can start using it. To do this, you must remove the end cap. Simply turn anti-clockwise and pull. Inside you will find there is a battery isolation tab. Remove this, and on the underside a red LED will blink to let you know that the probe now has power. You can throw the tab away. Replace the end cap by pressing on and turning clockwise. Now set the probe aside so it can initialize and grab your memo. Let's log in. Here you can see we have an example selection of temperature checks, each corresponding to a different color probe. A grey icon indicates the probe can be any color, red or blue. The blue icon indicates it has to be a blue probe that's used, and a red icon indicates that a red probe must be used. For now I'm going to choose any probe. To pair the probe, simply press this button when prompted. The probe will vibrate, and the memo will tell you when it is ready. Insert the probe into the product, and when ready, press the probe button to begin the check. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the check. There is no need to turn the probe on or off, this is done automatically.